Hi there, folks. Well, firstly, a very big thank you to all the folk around the world who've joined our community. We've got people on just about every continent and a few islands in between, as far as the Solomon Islands. So I'd like to thank you. Now, in terms of what I've been working with, it's around giving you ideas in terms of how you can manage your mental health, especially in the environment we find ourselves in. And today I'd like to share a few ideas around random acts of kindness and why this makes us feel so good. Well, the first thing to be aware of is that when we demonstrate a random act of kindness, and I'm talking a real random act of kindness, not where you expect something in return, because that's business, not kindness, but when we do this, we feel exactly the same as the person receiving it. And not only that, this is an interesting fact, it's contagious. The person who's observing us demonstrate that random act of kindness, they also feel good. And they are most likely going to pay it forward. So it has quite a big domino effect. Now, why is this? Well, behind the scenes in our body, there's biochemistry that's flooding our system. The first thing that we feel is the dopamine rush. That's the help us high. We feel good about ourselves. Then there's oxytocin. This is where we feel connected to the person, even though they're a stranger. And then there's serotonin. This is a mood stability neurotransmitter, which reduces our depression and our anxiety. And then finally, there's endorphins. Now, endorphins kill pain. So the more we show random acts of kindness, it reduces body pain. And some of the science shows that it increases our longevity. So you can just see, I mean, it's got quite a lot behind it in terms of the chemical composition. So as we do this, it's not about just necessarily giving money. It's the small things that matter that demonstrate random acts of kindness. A smile. When you offer a person a smile, half is for you, half is for the other person. It could be lending a helping hand to a stranger or talking to somebody whom you feel really could do with some company right now, even though you're in a rush. So these are some ideas that we can go out there and maybe change the world, because I feel this is where there's that wonderful saying, be the change that you want to see in the world. And as we be kindness, it's a beingness, not a doingness, then that has this domino effect. And I think it spreads out and it really does make a difference globally. So those are some ideas, folks. And until I chat again, take care and stay aware.